Welcome on board. My name's Jim Paterson. I'm the Senior Vice President of Marine Operations in Mercy Ships. Did you know that Mercy Ships began over 40 years ago when our founder Don Stevens purchased our first ship? Since then we've seen some amazing miracles. Today I'm very excited to be speaking to you from Tianjin, China, where we're in the advanced stages of building our new ship, Global Mercy. This ship will more than double our capacity to provide surgery. We've learned a lot over 40 years and incorporated many features into this ship with a big focus on training. We want to leave something behind after the ship moves on to the next country. Where we're standing just now is one of the wards where the patients will come to recover after surgery. There's dedicated classrooms in this hospital, including simulators. 6 operating rooms, 102 beds including intensive care and isolation. There's a CT scanner on board, a fully equipped laboratory, pharmacy and so on. But you know, even that is just stuff. What makes the real difference are hope and healing. Hope for the mother whose child can now see and walk to school to further his education. Healing for the woman who's been an outcast from her community and now reunited. Now we will have many more of these stories to tell in the years to come.